Hey, Ryan, it's Michael and
Matt.
And
Connor.
he's hiding down the back somewhere.
Yeah.
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the best bullion bars, coins and exclusives from the Perth Mint.
I love a good exclusive, Michael. You've been is this one that you've been alluding to for the past couple of months? All right, finally it's here.
This is one of them. I think there's still another one in the system somewhere. I think.
Yeah. I say finally it's here. However,
it's not. Yes. Where is it?
Yeah, got a product information sheet.
Yeah. Unfortunately, and look, I'm giving up defending Perth Mint. They haven't sent the flaming things to us.
Jeez, look out.
So we do have them. They are on order. They will be delivered next week. So dispatches, I've got dispatch numbers for one shipment.
Okay.
The second shipment goes out tomorrow. So we will receive it kind of Monday, Tuesday, early next week. They will be available. So
can we pre-order?
Absolutely you can, but people don't even know what they're pre-ordering yet.
That's right, I can't believe it, yeah. Some say this is a coin that reminds them of me.
That's it. This is the Matt coin.
Yeah, my exclusive. You can throw up an image. Someone actually, there were two submissions of this, not this exact image, but the previous issues with our faces on them.
Yeah, and I think it looks great. And there's another one, and you've got to show this one right here, Connor, of Matt's selfie. And see if you can pick which one is the Quokka and which one is Matt.
Well, there you go. The Quokka's out of the bag. The new Quokka.
It would have been listed as new Quokka.
The description would have been the giveaway. All right, that's a fair shake.
So we've got the new Quokka. You've seen the image. Connor will have thrown it up. If he hasn't, he's going to throw it up right now. You can see the image of the coin. Unfortunately, I don't have a real one to show you right now.
Yep.
We are taking orders on them. We've got the exclusive from Perth Mint, so you can only get them from us and Perth Mint and one other place. Do you know where the other place is?
I don't know.
Have a guess.
Hong Kong?
No, in Australia.
Little coin shop?
No.
Good guess. Was a good guess, though.
You've been there recently.
Oh, Rottnest Island.
Rottnest Island. So if you're over in Rottnest,
cool.
They've got like 500 of them over there.
Really?
So yeah. Wow. So you can buy them from Rottnest as well if you happen to be driving past.
Or sailing past.
That's right. But they are the only three places you can get them at this stage in Australia. Hopefully we'll bleed a few out to some other dealers as well. But at this stage, we have the exclusive, and you'll see on Monday or Tuesday we'll do a bit more film work of all these piles of boxes of Quokkas that have turned up.
Yeah, as I understand it, we're getting literally thousands.
Literally thousands.
That's what I like to hear.
Literally almost tens of thousands.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, so there should be plenty of stock for pre-order.
There'll be heaps of stock for pre-order. I don't think we're going to sell out in 5 minutes. We've got enough stock to keep us going for a few weeks, which is excellent. But we still haven't told people about the mintages and that sort of stuff.
What is the mintage?
I thought you were going to tell us.
I'll tell you. Wait. I'll tell you.
I gave him
30,000. 30,000 is the total mintage. So we've got about a third of the entire mintage.
We have a third of the entire mintage.
Wonderful. That's what I like to hear. I'm sick of these dribs and drabs, Michael. People calling up asking for things that we only had 10 of or 20 of.
Yeah.
Thousands. That's the new benchmark for Bullion Now, I like to think.
Yeah, I love to hear it. As you can see, this is all scripted. We're not going off the cuff at all. It's a limited mintage of 30,000, which is, it sounds like a lot when you say 30,000, but it's actually, it's nothing.
It is, as far as bullion releases are concerned, that is a very small mintage.
So to give you an idea, when we do the release of the rabbit in about 4 weeks' time, we'll release the rabbit.
Oh, really? Are we doing another release? That live stream was a bit of fun where we did the release party.
You're taking me off topic.
Yeah, sorry, go on.
So they do 300,000 1 ounce silver coins for that.
Yeah, wow.
So this is only 10% of that as a full release. So it is a very limited release. It's got a bit of a cult following now because this is I believe the third year.
It's a manageable series. You know, it's not at that point where if you want to dive in, you've got to go back 10 years.
Yeah, that's right.
Still, there are still the first releases around, so it's a manageable set.
It absolutely is. It's a good set. It's developing some real interest, or some real following behind it. And there was one more thing I was going to suggest that's now just gone out the window. So
I'll tell you a fun fact about Quokkas while you think about that. Yeah. I was thinking about the comparison that people draw between myself and a Quokka. I found out, and this is a clear difference, Quokkas can last up to 40 days without a drink of water.
Yeah.
I don't think I can go 40 minutes.
I was going to say exactly the same thing. Yeah. So Quokkas, no, it doesn't matter. There was something else on the next one. We'll save some information for the next one.
Yeah, nice one.
No, it's all good. So that's it. Get them while you can. They will only last a few weeks. You've got a few weeks to get them, but they will only last a few weeks. Hopefully we can we can do what I did last week, which was release some old stock from 2020. So I might even keep a few behind for next year, but they'll be pretty much sold out within a few weeks. Grab them while you can. Anything else, Matt, we want to throw in there?
That's it. I gave you my fun fact. What more do you want?
I don't know, freebies?
Yeah. get a free BN bag.
Yes.
You get it sent out.
Yeah, that's the one. A free BN bag. All right, that's it for now. Share this around to anyone that you know is a bit of a Quokka fan.
Yeah.
And also, if you want to order one, bullionnow.com.au. I believe we'll provide a link down below, Connor, but you'll correct me on that if I'm wrong. You can call 1300 84 84 10, talk to the lovely Matt or Con or Andrew or you may even Jag Sylvia on a good day. And what's the other way they can do it? Via email, sales@bullionnow.com.au or the live chat. Go to our website and you can
come into the shop, how about that?
Or into the store.
Look out.
Level 6, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne.
That's it. We've done it all. Beauty. Quokkas. Get into it.
See ya.
See ya. I don't need this, mate. Just do it live.